Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you can diagnose fast. Check the USB plug or Bluetooth pairing and battery, and make sure the keyboard registers in Device Manager. If you can't type, open the on-screen keyboard or boot to safe mode to isolate software versus hardware causes. Once you've confirmed presence or absence in Device Manager, use the Properties page to view driver status and error codes. This tells you whether to reinstall, roll back, or replace the device. Next, focus on software. Uninstall the keyboard driver and reboot so Windows reinstalls it automatically, or use Update Driver to fetch a newer version. Make sure relevant services like Human Interface Device Access are running and set to automatic. Then inspect accessibility settings for filter keys and sticky keys, and confirm your language and layout match your physical keyboard. If Bluetooth, remove the device and pair again. For USB, try alternate ports and rule out hub or power issues before moving to firmware or system restores. For stubborn cases, run Windows troubleshooters and execute SFC and chkdsk to repair corrupt system files that can block input. Test with another keyboard or boot a live Linux USB to confirm hardware failure versus Windows problem. If drivers and updates cause the issue, roll back recent Windows updates or use System Restore to a known good point. If nothing works, replace the keyboard. One key troubleshooting tip. If symptoms change between safe mode and normal boot, suspect third-party software, or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.